Hi guys, it's Rachel at WTI, and I want to show you this amazing fabric lint remover. This is Gaiatop fabric shaver. This has 6 blades. There's 3 different speeds, so you're able to use it however you want to. I love the fact that you're able to take every piece of this apart to be able to clean it, to make sure nothing's stuck in it, and that it is going to work amazing. It has an LED screen as well, so you're going to see how much battery life that you have. It is wireless, so you're able to plug it in. It has a super fast charge, which is amazing as well. I like the fact too that you're able to take off the back piece, and there is a lint remover as well in there that you use manually. I like to use that part on my pool table, different fabrics as well. If you don't want to use the lint shaver, it is very delicate on your fabric, but this shaver is as well. I use it on my couch, I use it on sweaters, I use it on so many different things, and the fact that it has the dual blades, it helps remove it a lot faster, and it's a lot less work, so that you can have things looking beautiful quickly. One of the bonus too, it comes in different colors. I chose pink, of course it's girly. That's just one thing that I really liked about it, but that's just my point of view.